I know some of this might become redundant, but for the viewers out there that, there are people out there that actually want to see, they want to catch the what they might have missed, or they want to get it a different aspect, because sometimes, even though it's redundant, it's not exactly done exactly the same way. So I do understand that. Okay, now we're going to get 7/8 and 7/8 on each end of this small piece of pipe. We're measuring those pieces so that when we slip it into the this is the 3 3/4 inch piece of copper for the tub spout. Okay, we already have our marks on here, so we're just going to push it up till we meet our marks, and we know that it will be in solid and connected properly. One thing about sharkbite fittings, when you do push the pipe up into the sharkbite itself, the sharkbite needs to be as straight as possible. Any pipe that's crooked will leak on you, so keep it straight. Okay, now this will give you an idea of the how things are going to go with the tub spout. All this is going to come back off right now. Just showing you guys as much as I can show you, because I know everyone doesn't understand like everyone else. Everybody's different, so hopefully I can cover everyone and reach everybody that I can reach with this. Okay, most tub and shower valves are going to have 8-inch spread. That means from center of the hot to the center of the cold is going to be 8 inches. So we're not going to make this any different. We may be a little off because of the sharkbite fittings are a little longer. But what we need to do here is we're going to cut 2 short pieces, and after measuring them, we're going to have to use what we call closed nipples. So a closed piece of pipe, and a closed piece of pipe means that the pipe is really short and it's just enough on each end of the pipe to go inside the fittings, and the fittings would actually butt up with one another. So we're going to cut 2 closed pieces for this. And the closed pieces for this is going to, we already know 7/8 go in one, so we're going to take 7/8 and 7/8, and we're going to come up with 1 3/4 inches. So we're going to cut 2 pieces that are 1 3/4 inches, slip them in there, and butt it together. Okay, now we have the two closed pieces cut out. And if you're doing this with copper, be very careful. The ends of the copper could be very sharp. That's why you see that I'm pushing it down here on the table. But yet I don't want to push the and once we get the two pieces butted up, we'll know that we have it in and nice and secure. Now you can't even see a piece of copper. But on the next one, I'm going to tell you right now, somehow I cut this piece a little longer than the other. So you will see a little small piece of copper, but it's not enough to throw us off too far from our 8-inch spread. As a matter